I think of our friends Ruth and Doug when I see this because they love feeding the squirrels, and
Yeah.
they're in Indiana. But this little guy's just chilling and hanging out, and
Our granddaughter gave us these placemats for Christmas, and I said, "Oh, we love them. They're so Christmassy." I'll take everything out, all my nativity and stuff like that, and go down at the end of this month. But I will still keep up my wintry things. Like the stuff on the mantle, I'll take the nativity down and then I'll put some figurines up there, but I'll leave that